If you ride regularly, gloves are the one gears you should never compromise on. So today, I'm gonna share the top 5 gloves under 5000 rupees, which offers best protection, comfort, and value, all available at Bikester Global. So starting at number 5, the Solace Rover. It is built for riders who want maximum protection on a budget. It features premium goat leather, breathable 3D mesh panels, and TPU protection. The long gauntlet design adds wrist safety, and you also get a touchscreen compatibility, priced at 4199. So up next we have LS2 Air Raptor. Perfect for hot weather riding, made with a mix of goat leather and air mesh. These gloves offer excellent airflow. They come with hard knuckle protection, padded palms, and secure Velcro wrist closure, priced at 3800. At number 3, it's Viaterra Shifter. It stands out for its safety tech. It uses full goat leather and features NOx SPS protection on the palm. Reduces wrist injuries during the slides, great ventilation, solid grip, and touchscreen friendly fingertips. Makes it ideal for daily and highway rides. Priced at 4799. The Raida Airwave, focused on comfort and airflow. It features 3D air mesh panels, full grain leather with sweet panel reinforcement, and pre-curved fingers for long ride. Excellent choice for Indian summer conditions. Priced at 3499. Oh, sorry. Taking the top spot, it's Tarmac Rapid full gauntlet gloves. You get the TPU knuckle protection, hard palm sliders, a protective gauntlet curves, and touchscreen compatibility, all at unbeatable price. Perfect for touring, highway rides, and beginner track use. Priced at 3199. So these were the best gloves under 5000 rupees. All these gloves are available at bikesterglobal.com and at all Bikester Global stores. Check out the links which are given in the description below. Like, subscribe, and comment which gloves are you planning to buy. I'll meet you in the next one. Ride safe.